This time, we will explain some small tips in game VFX and various norms in work. First, let's talk about the layout of the working interface. My layout is like this: scene is on the left and game is on the right. You can add them by right-clicking. Then it is to modify the perspective of the window. Select camera, choose the desired angle in the scene, and hold down Ctrl+Shift+F to adjust the viewing angle of the game window. The display of the game should be the same as the target display of the camera. Otherwise, it won't be displayed correctly. The scale should be confirmed as 1, otherwise, jagged edges will appear. The timeline is located here, which is used to quickly view the effect of VFX in the game. In this way, it is very convenient to check the final effect. Next comes a small tip for viewing individual elements in VFX. Now I can view a certain element individually or as a whole. It's very convenient. It operates like this. First, select the element you want to use. Then right-click and select Create Empty Parent. Set the name and then add Particle System. In this way, the entire VFX can be played. If this emission module is cancelled, no redundant particles will be emitted. Decide whether to enable looping based on the actual situation. Then select all the elements inside and use Create Empty Parent again. In this way, a certain element can be played separately, which is very convenient. I'm used to naming this empty VFX for easy identification. Then comes the settings of the particle system. It is recommended to check Show All Modules. Just turn on the function you want to use directly. The background can be this medium gray grid, which can be used to detect the refraction effect. When making a VFX, it is best to place a standard-sized character model beside it as a scale reference to avoid making it too large. Next comes the settings for rendering. There are 2 points to pay special attention to. First of all, this tone mapping will greatly affect the color of your VFX. Personally, I think none is the most effective. Then there is color space. Gamma or linear is fine. It should be determined before production and must not be changed later. Otherwise, it will be very troublesome. I'm used to using gamma. Then there are the norms for VFX assets. Specific types of assets should be placed in specific locations. Moreover, all of them should have a fixed prefix. In this way, it will be much more convenient to search for specific assets later. The name of the material is best to be the same as that of your VFX assets. This way, it is less likely to be confused with the material of other VFX assets. Texture, by default check alpha is transparency, and at the same time cancel this generate MIP maps, which can reduce a lot of unnecessary troubles. Especially for this MIP maps, most of the bugs are caused by it. The format of the texture should also be uniform, usually PNG or TGA. Do not use strange formats like PSD. The above is hoped to be of some help to you.